I think a lot of the veterinarians here will take this knowledge home and then they have to kind of reteach the staff, whereas we're kind of killing two birds with one stone with having her here.
I'm here with one of my doctors, just trying to learn more about the equipment, get some tips and pointers, and just become more familiar with laparoscopy and endoscopy.
And it's been great to have Whitney here, our lead surgery technician. We really utilize our technicians, and they are a huge asset to our practice.
Being here has really given me some new, fresh ideas on how technicians can be better utilized during these procedures. I think ultimately, clinics are always going to be a lot more successful and efficient and productive when they're utilizing their technicians to the best of their ability. The more that I can do here is really only going to help my doctors out. If it's an option, take advantage of it, because it just gets you motivated, and I'm going to go back to my clinic all pumped up and just wanting to take things to the next level.